What if I told you that one luxury SUV is about to challenge some of the biggest premium brands without carrying a six-figure price tag? Meet the all-new 2027 Jaecoo J8, a sophisticated SUV that's raising expectations with upscale comfort, advanced technology, and a level of refinement that feels truly first class. If you've been searching for a luxury SUV that combines elegant design with everyday practicality, you're going to want to stay until the end because this vehicle has plenty of surprises. At first glance, the 2027 Jaecoo J8 makes an unforgettable impression. Its bold oak front grille, sleek LED lighting signature, and sculpted body lines create a confident and modern appearance. Every angle has been carefully crafted to deliver a premium look, while the large alloy wheels and refined chrome accents add a touch of sophistication. It's the kind of SUV that looks equally impressive parked in front of a luxury hotel or cruising through city streets. Step inside and the cabin immediately reveals where the J8 truly shines. High-quality materials cover nearly every surface, from the soft touch dashboard to the premium leather seating. The spacious interior offers exceptional comfort for both front and rear passengers, making long road trips just as enjoyable as daily commutes. The panoramic sunroof fills the cabin with natural light, creating an open and relaxing atmosphere that rivals far more expensive luxury SUVs. Technology plays a major role in the J8 experience. A large digital instrument cluster works seamlessly with a crisp infotainment touchscreen, giving the driver quick access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Wireless smartphone connectivity, voice controls, multiple USB charging ports, and a premium sound system help keep everyone connected and entertained. The interface feels modern, responsive, and designed with convenience in mind. Comfort isn't just about soft seats. The 2027 Jaecoo J8 is engineered to provide a remarkably quiet ride. Improved sound insulation helps reduce road and wind noise, allowing passengers to enjoy conversations or music without distractions. The advanced climate control system keeps everyone comfortable regardless of the weather, while available ventilated and heated seats add another layer of luxury throughout the year. Under the hood, the J8 is expected to deliver smooth, confident performance with a turbocharged engine that balances power and efficiency. Acceleration feels responsive, whether merging onto highways or navigating busy urban traffic. A refined suspension system absorbs bumps with ease, creating a composed driving experience that emphasizes comfort without sacrificing control. Available all-wheel drive provides additional confidence when road conditions become less predictable, making the SUV suitable for both city life and weekend adventures. Safety is another area where the Jaecoo J aims to impress. A comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies is expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These advanced features work together to make every journey safer and less stressful, giving drivers extra confidence behind the wheel. Perhaps the most exciting part is the value proposition. While many luxury SUVs continue pushing prices higher, the 2027 Jaecoo J8 appears ready to offer premium craftsmanship, advanced technology, and impressive comfort at a much more accessible price point. If it delivers on its promises, it could become one of the smartest choices in the luxury SUV segment. So, what do you think about the 2027 Jaecoo J8? Could this be the luxury SUV that changes the game? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and future luxury SUV updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.